Have you ever wondered how to work with AVIF files in Photoshop, even though it doesn't natively support them? Let me share two effective solutions. AVIF files are known for their exceptional image quality and high compression, making them perfect for modern web design. While Photoshop lacks native support, you can easily integrate AVIF files into your workflow. The first method is using an AVIF plugin. This enables Photoshop to open and edit AVIF files directly, preserving features like HDR, wide color gamuts, and transparency. Once the plugin is installed, you can seamlessly edit AVIF files without extra steps. The second method is converting AVIF files to compatible formats like PNG or TIFF. Conversion ensures compatibility and retains most of the image quality, making it a flexible solution for those who can't use plugins. Adjust settings during conversion to optimize resolution and file size for your project needs. So why bother with AVIF? This format is not just about smaller file sizes, it offers advanced capabilities like HDR support and vibrant color depth. When paired with Photoshop's powerful editing tools, AVIF files provide incredible creative flexibility, making them ideal for web designers, photographers, and digital artists alike. Another important benefit of AVIF is its adaptability for future projects. As more platforms adopt this format, incorporating it into your workflow ensures you stay ahead of industry trends. Whether creating digital ads, social media content, or stunning visuals for websites, AVIF files deliver professional results that are lightweight and efficient. By using these methods, you'll not only streamline your workflow, but also unlock new opportunities for creativity. Plugins and conversion tools cater to different needs, so you can choose the approach that works best for your projects. Need expert help? Contact Vikilinks today for tailored solutions and simplify your AVIF integration process. Let us help you elevate your creative projects effortlessly.